If you just have some chicken at home, you can make this recipe so quickly. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a very easy recipe. This is basically a casserole recipe for your busy nights, for your weekday nights when you are really tired. And then you can make this quick and easy recipe in no time, but I'm sure you and your family will just love it. Just try it out and do let me know in the comments how you have liked it. Thank you so much. Keep watching. So here I am taking the boneless chicken pieces and adding the masalas one by one. I have used some boneless chicken pieces here, but if you don't have boneless pieces, you can use the pieces with bone, no issues at all. But then the cooking time will be a little more. So as you can see, I am just going on mixing the ingredients one by one. Mix it very well. Keep on mixing it very well with the chicken pieces, and that will enhance the taste for this recipe. If you like my recipes, please do share it and please hit the like button. So we'll now cover the chicken with a cling wrap and now put it in a microwave for cooking. Now we will just make few holes on the cling wrap so that the steam can evaporate before we place it in the microwave. So basically we will have to cook it till the chicken is cooked. It might vary between 6 to 8 minutes. Once you take it out, just check if the chicken is cooked or not. If not, put it back for another 2 to 3 minutes. So the chicken is now cooked and it's ready to enjoy. You can either have it with rice or chapati, and this is a very easy recipe, so you just mix the ingredients and cook it anytime. If you have liked today's recipe, please do subscribe to my channel and like and share with your loved ones. See you soon in the next one. Bye bye.